welcome to Pilipinas. No? Okay. Then Filipino. Kanin. Remove this one. Yeah. You just put it. You put it. Okay? So you know kanin? Arroz, kanin. Then arroz. And Filipino, there are also another language. Kumay. Kumay rice. Okay. Adobong manok. Where's adobong manok? Adobong manok. Good. Adobo. In Filipino, manok. In Spanish, pollo. No? Don't forget, manok. Okay. Inihaw, isda. Inihaw, isda. Yes. Vale. No. Inihaw, isda. What do you think? Vale. Inihaw, isda.
Parelia.
Pamilya. Yeah. Filipino, isda. Isda. Yes. Next, pancit. Pachay. Yes. Filipino, pancit. Yes. Now, inihaw. Oh, no. Inihaw. Chapsuy. Chapsuy. Filipino taco. And Spanish, verdura. Verdura. And pepino. Oh. Yeah, you know. Now, tubig. Now, tubig. Ah? No. Tubig. Filipino, agua. Filipino, agua. Spanish, tubig. Oh. Okay. Tubig. Yeah. Pakwan. Where's the pakwan? No. It's a fruit. Pakwan? No. Sandia. Don't forget pakwan. Filipino, pakwan. Okay? Pakwan. Next. Pinya, no? Pinya, no? Saging. Yes. Where's saging? Good. Yay! Banana.
Plátano, in Spain,
Plátano. Plátano. Plátano Paudamono. Okay. Last one. Okay. Last one. Hipon. Yes. What do you think? Where? Hipon. Gambas.
Langostino in Spain is langostino.
No.
Gambas. Gamba is small. Langostino is big. In
In
Spain this is in Spain langostino.
Langostino. In Filipino, the big one, hipon. The small one, orang.
Kurang?
Orang kapo. Okay, so thank you so much for enjoying your life. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.